In this video, I'll show you how to add a product or service in Xero. First, log into your Xero account and open the organization you want to use. Next, go to Business and select Products and Services. Now, click Add Item to create a new product or service. Enter the item name and add a code if you want to identify it more easily. After that, enter the sales price and choose the correct sales account and tax rate. If you're also purchasing this item, you can enable the Purchase option and enter the purchase price and expense account. Next, review the details and make sure the correct accounts and tax rates are selected. Now, click Save to add the product or service to Xero. After that, you can select this item when creating invoices, bills, quotes, or other transactions. Finally, open the Products and Services list to confirm that the new item was saved correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a product or service in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.